numerical on neutral point, numerical on neutral point. Given a kinetic moment of bimagnet is 5 ampere meter square when it is kept in magnetic meridian such that it not pole point toward the south of Earth. Then neutral point is obtained at the axis. In this case, we have to find distance of neutral point from the magnet. When your magnet is placed in magnetic meridian such that neutral point is obtained, or such that north pole of magnet is pointing toward the north of the Earth, to the north of the Earth. Then neutral point is obtained at equatorial line. Then what is distance of neutral point? Given horizontal component of Earth magnetic field is 0.38 Gauss. 0.38 Gauss. Okay. So first case, your neutral point is at the axial line. When north of the magnet is placed in magnetic meridian pointing toward the south of the Earth, then neutral point is obtained at the axis of the magnet and magnetic lines of force are symmetric about the axis. Magnetic lines of force are symmetric about the axis. ठीक है. अच्छा, what is neutral point? Suppose this is your bimagnet. So when in this case magnetic lines of force of a bimagnet keeping south toward the north of the Earth, then you get magnetic lines of force symmetric about the axis. The line joining the south to the north of the bimagnet is axis. So this is your axis. So you get magnetic lines of force symmetric about this. The point on this axis at which horizontal component of Earth magnetic field become equal and opposite. It become equal and opposite to the magnetic field produced by bar magnet. So horizontal component of Earth magnetic field is in the direction of north of the Earth. This is your north, this is your south, east and west. Okay. And direction of magnetic field produced by magnet is toward the south pole. Magnetic lines of force. Magnetic lines of direction of magnetic field produced by your south pole at this point is toward the magnet, toward the south pole of the magnet. And horizontal component of Earth magnetic field is in the direction of north of the Earth magnet, Earth, in the direction of north of the Earth. So at this point, horizontal component of Earth magnetic field and magnetic field produced by a magnet become equal and opposite. So no magnetic lines of force cross from this point, pass through this point. So at this point, magnetic field becomes 0. When you place compass needle, then your compass needle stay in any direction because there is no control of field produced by bar magnet or produced by Earth. Magnetic field produced by Earth. So no field, so no control on this, no torque effect on the bar magnet, so it can stay in any direction. So this point is neutral point. This point is neutral point. Okay. So let distance of neutral point from the magnet is R. Distance of neutral point from the magnet is R. ठीक है. अच्छा you get neutral point in opposite direction also. So at this point, let this point is the neutral point. So at this point, horizontal component of earth magnetic field become equal to magnetic field reduced by magnet, bar magnet. The direction of magnetic field reduced by bar magnet is away from the north pole along the axis. So this is the direction of magnetic field reduced by bar magnet. And direction of horizontal component of earth magnetic field is in the direction of north of the earth magnet, in the north of the earth. So this is your direction of horizontal component, this is your direction of magnetic field reduced by bar magnet. So these two fields are equal and opposite. Then you get neutral point. So this is your neutral point. Okay. So this distance is also r. So these points are at the axis. So magnetic field, so at neutral point, magnetic field reduced by bar magnet is equal to horizontal component of earth magnetic field, but opposite in direction. So this is the field reduced by bar magnet at the axis. The magnetic field reduced by bar magnet at the axis is mu naught upon 4 pi 2m by r cube. This is your h value of this. So right value mu naught upon 4 pi is 10 raised to power minus 7. So write that 10 raised to power minus 7. So right value of mu naught upon 4 pi, so mu naught upon 4 pi 10 raised to power minus 7, 2 into m. Value of m is 5 upon r cube. We have to determine. Value of s is 0.38 Gauss, 38 Gauss. So right value of h. So Gauss is unit of magnetic field in CJ system. Change it into SI system. So SI unit of magnetic field is Tesla. The relation between Gauss and Tesla is 1 Gauss is equal to 10 raised to power negative 4 Tesla. So write that, multiply this value by 10 raised to power negative 4. Then this changes into SI system. Okay. In equation, all physical quantities are written in same system or in same unit system. 2 into 5 10 upon r cube. Now shift decimal 2 digit right. When you shift decimal 2 digit right, then 2 subtracted from power of 10. So minus 4 minus 2. In multiplication on same base power added. So 10 raised to power minus 7 plus 1 upon r cube is equal to 38 into 10 raised to power minus 6. ठीक है. तो 1 by r cube is equal to 10 raised to power minus 6 is equal to 38 into 10 raised to power minus 6. 10 raised to power minus 6, 10 raised to power minus 6 cancel. So r cube is equal to 1 by r cube is equal to 38. ठीक है. 1 by r cube is equal to 38. Now reciprocally divided, then we get r cube is equal to 1 by 38. Now taking log in both sides, so log r into power 3 is equal to log of 1 upon 38, log of 1 upon 38. ठीक है. तो log m raised to power n is equal to n time log n apply OR law. तो 3 log r log m by n is equal to log m minus log n, quotient law. तो राइट here log of 1 minus log of 38, ठीक है. तो 3 into log r, तो log of 1 on any base is 0, तो राइट here 0. Now read value of log 38 from log table. तो log 38 has 2 integers, so characteristics is less than 1 from integer. So there are 2 integers, so characteristics will be 1, 2 minus 1 1. So write here 1. Mark put this one. Now Montesa, this is your characteristics. Now we read Montesa from log table. So see log table 38 row 0 column. 38 row 0 column. इनकी दो नंबर 3 5 7 9 8, ठीक है. तो log r is equal to minus 1.5798 by 3. So log r is equal to divide this, you get 0.5, 3 5 is 15, 3 2 is 6, 3 6 is 18, 3 6 is 18. So this Montesa is negative. So to find value of Montesa, we take integral of Montesa must be positive. So change Montesa into positive value. Then log r is equal to minus 1 plus 1. When we write minus 1 plus 1, then we get 0, no change in the value. Minus 0.5266. 5266. So write as 6. Okay. So log r is equal to minus 1 plus 1.000625 minus 0. So this becomes minus 1 plus. Now 1 is greater than this, so you get positive minus. You get positive value of this one. Value. So this becomes 4. 10 minus 6 4, 9 minus 6 3, 9 minus 2 7, 9 minus 5 4. Okay. So this is your positive Montesa and characteristics is negative. So to combine negative characteristics and positive Montesa, we use bar. So write there 1 bar 4 7 3 4. So r is equal to anti-log. Now we take anti-log to find value of r. 1 bar 0.4750. So now read well in anti-log table 47 row column 3 and mid difference of 2. Read in anti-log table value of 47 in column 3. 29, what is value? 2972. Main difference of 2 in the same row? 3. So write here 3. 0, 0, 0. This is your decimal part. Now we write integer. The integer is more than 1 from characteristics. So your characteristics is minus 1. So write here tell it for minus 1 or plus 1. Because integer is more than 1 from current index. Current index is -1, so -1 plus 1. So R is equal to 0.2975 into 10 raised power 0. 10 raised power 0 is 1. So R is 0.2975 meter. Okay. So change it into meter into centimeter. So multiply this by 100. Then you get 29.75 centimeter. So neutral point is at distance 29.75 centimeter from midpoint of the dipole. So write this value up to millimeter, that is 29.8 centimeter. Now, second case, you have to find distance from neutral point at equatorial line. So, in position, when magnet is in position, then metal lines of force are symmetric about equatorial line, and neutral point is obtained at the equatorial line. Okay. At a point where horizontal component of 120 feet become equal and opposite to the magnetic field produced by bar magnet. Okay. So in this case, रब कर दो, कॉपी कर लिया, हैं? कोई कॉन्सेप्ट है? ना कुछ नहीं। तो देखिए, व्हाट इज इक्वेटोरियल लाइन? The line perpendicular bisector of magnetic dipole is equatorial line. This is your equatorial line. When your magnet is placed, make this separate figure here. In this case, your magnet is placed in n position. This is north pole of the magnet points toward the north. North pole of the magnet is pointing toward the north. So this is your north forward, east, south, west. This is your north. This is your south. So this is your axis. So perpendicular bisector of this is equatorial line. This is your equatorial line. So at the neutral point, let this is your neutral point. The neutral point direction of magnetic field, horizontal component of magnetic field become equal to the magnetic field divided by bar magnet, but in opposite direction. So direction of H is in the direction of north of the earth. So horizontal component, direction of horizontal component is this. Direction of horizontal component of magnetic field is in the direction of north of the earth. So this is your H in the direction of north, and direction of magnetic field produced by bar magnet is antiparallel of the bar magnet. Antiparallel of the magnetic dipole of bar magnet. So direction of magnetic dipole is from south to north. So direction of magnetic field produced by bar magnet is from north to south. So this is your BM. This is your BM. Similarly, in opposite direction also, this is your H and this is your BM. So at neutral point, BM is equal to H. ना? तो at equatorial line, magnetic field due to bar magnet is half of the magnetic field reduced at axial line. So this become m by r cube. In axial line, here 2m, in broader portion m only is equal to h. So now right value of mu naught upon 4 pi 10 to the power minus 7. Your m is 5. R cube we have to find. H is 0.38. 0.38 Gauss change into Tesla 10 to the power negative 4. Okay. Now so this becomes 5 into 10 to the power minus 7 by R cube is equal to 38. So shift decimal 2 digit right. So when you shift decimal 2 digit right, then 2 subtracted from power of 10. So 38 into 10 to the power negative 4 minus 2. So you get 5 into 10 to the power minus 7 upon 38 into 10 to the power minus 6 is equal to R. Okay. So R cube is equal to 5 into 10 to the power minus 1 upon 38. In division on same base or subtracted to minus 7 plus 6. So R cube is equal to 5 upon 380. 380. Because this becomes 10 to the power minus 1. When you take in denominator, then 380. So R cube is equal to 5 upon 380. To multiply this by 2 in numerator and denominator, then you get R cube is equal to 10 upon 760. Now cut this, then you get R cube is equal to 1 upon 76. Now take log. So log R cube is equal to log of 1 by 76. So 3 log R is equal to log of 1 minus log of 76. So 3 log R is equal to log 1 is 0. Log 76 read from log table. Value of 76 in log table in row 76 read in column 0. Read value in row 76 and column 0.
76.
So there are two integers in 76. So characteristic will be less than 1. Characteristic is less than 1 from digit. So there are two digits. So characteristic is 1. So write here 1. Or multi-sum part is read from log table.
8808.
8808. So log R is equal to minus 1.8808 upon 3. So log R is equal to divide this 0.6269. 3 6 are 10 or 3 2 the 6 20 3 6 are 10 28 3 are 3 9 are 27. So this multi-sum part is negative. So to find antilog, change this negative multi-sum into positive. So to change this negative multi-sum into positive, add minus 1 and plus 1. So 6 to 6 9. Okay. Now subtract 6 to 6 9 from positive one. Then you get positive multi-sum. Positive decimal value. So log r is equal to -1 plus 1.00009626 minus. So this become 1373. This is your positive plus minus. So log r is equal to 1 bar 13731. Now read antilog from take antilog in both sides, then you get r is equal to log antilog 1 bar 13731. ठीक है. So read from antilog table in row of 37 column 3 mean difference of 2. What is value? 37 column 3. 23 12360. Mean difference of 1 point decimal point. This is decimal point. So point.
किस पे है?
Mean difference of 1 in the same row. In the same row. 1. Right here 1. Take it for -1 plus 1. Your factorial is -1. So integer is more than 1. So write here -1 plus 1. So r is equal to 0.2362 into 10 raised power 0. So 10 raised power 0 meter. This is your value meter, na? Multiply this by 100, then you get 23.62 centimeter. So this is your distance of meter. See your answer.